Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sarayu. Omega notation. This is the second type of asymptotic notation. If you not watched the video of a big O notation, it is in our channel. Please go and watch it. Omega notation. It is the second type. It is used for best case. It is the symbol of omega notation. It is the ohm symbol. This method representing the lower bound of an algorithm. It is the opposite of big O notation. Big O notation is the upper bound. It is the lower bound notation. It is a representation of omega notation. This is the example of omega notation. F of n equals to 2n square plus 5, g of n equals to 7n. First we need to write given that, then substitute the value n equals to 0 and n equals to 1, n equals to 2 up to 2-3 values enough for calculating. Then write the value. F of n is less than g of n or f of n is greater than g of n, write it. Third type is theta notation. It is the representation of like this symbol. It is used for C1 and C2 in constant cases. It is the representation of both upper and lower cases, upper and lower bound of an algorithm. Fourth type is little o notation. It is the fourth type, last type of asymptotic notation. For checking the performance of an algorithm, these notations are used. It is denoted with small o representation. We use in this type f of n and g of n will be non-negative functions. This is the representation. Limit n extends to 0. F of n by g of n equals to 0. These are the four types of asymptotic notations. If you not watched the first video before this, big O notation is a separate video. It is in description. And don't forget to subscribe to r22 YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Like this video and share this video. Subscribe to r22 YouTube channel for more content.